Are you tired of feeling self-conscious about your weight? Are you looking for a way to lose weight without having to spend hours at the gym? Look no further. In this video, I'll be sharing with you 5 proven tips on how to lose weight fast at home without exercise. These tips are easy to follow and will help you reach your weight loss goals in no time. So, let's get started. But before that, please like this video and subscribe this channel. Tip 1. Watch your portion sizes. The first tip on how to lose weight fast at home without exercise is to watch your portion sizes. Overeating is one of the main reasons why people gain weight. By eating smaller portions, you'll be able to control your calorie intake and lose weight. One way to control your portion sizes is to use smaller plates. This will make your portions look bigger and will help you feel full faster. Another way is to practice mindful eating. This means paying attention to the food you're eating, savoring every bite, and listening to your body's signals of hunger and fullness. Tip 2. Drink more water. The second tip on how to lose weight fast at home without exercise is to drink more water. Drinking water can help you lose weight in several ways. First, it can help you feel full and reduce your appetite. Second, it can help boost your metabolism and burn more calories. Third, it can help flush out toxins and improve digestion. Aim for at least 8 glasses of water per day, and try to drink a glass of water before each meal to help reduce your appetite. Tip 3. Eat more protein. The third tip on how to lose weight fast at home without exercise is to eat more protein. Protein is an essential nutrient that helps build and repair muscle tissue. It's also known to help reduce hunger and cravings. Aim for at least 20 to 30 grams of protein per meal, and try to include protein sources such as chicken, fish, eggs, and beans in your diet. Tip 4. Avoid processed foods. The fourth tip on how to lose weight fast at home without exercise is to avoid processed foods. Processed foods are often high in calories, sugar, and unhealthy fats. They can also be low in essential nutrients. Instead, opt for whole foods such as fruits, vegetables, and whole grains. Whole foods are nutrient-dense and will help you feel full and satisfied without consuming too many calories. Tip 5. Get enough sleep. The fifth and final tip on how to lose weight fast at home without exercise is to get enough sleep. Sleep plays a crucial role in weight loss. When you're sleep deprived, your body produces more ghrelin, a hormone that triggers hunger. It also produces less leptin, a hormone that tells your body to stop eating. Aim for at least 7 to 8 hours of sleep per night, and try to stick to a regular sleep schedule. And there you have it, 5 proven tips on how to lose weight fast at home without exercise. Remember, losing weight is not about depriving yourself or following strict diets. It's about making small, sustainable changes to your lifestyle. By following the tips we've discussed in this video, you'll be able to lose weight and improve your overall health and wellness. In conclusion, losing weight at home without exercise is possible, but it takes discipline and commitment. Remember, weight loss is a journey, not a destination, so don't be too hard on yourself if you don't see results right away. Keep pushing and you'll get there. Disclaimer: consult with your doctor before making any changes to your diet or lifestyle. That's it for today. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like the video and do subscribe to stay up to date with all of our future contents.